Most SaaS companies are still building product demos the exact same way they did 5 years ago, and it's destroying their conversion rates without them even realizing it. If you're hiding your software behind a book a demo form or some $5,000 explainer video that doesn't actually show the UI of your product, you're adding friction at the exact moment that buyers are trying to evaluate your product, and they're going to bounce before they even give you a chance. Now, I've spent my career at SaaS companies trying to figure out how to increase conversion rates and drive new users, and the thing I'm starting to realize in 2026 is that the old way of making someone passively sit through a video of your product is not going to cut it anymore. Companies leading SaaS right now, like Lovable, Airtable, and Tally, are letting prospects touch and feel their product without having to make them talk to sales. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a page out of their books and let people try before they buy on your website. Let's get into it. Go to any SaaS homepage right now and tell me what the copy's about. I'm 90% sure you'll see copy that focuses on high-level outcomes like grow your revenue or align your team. And there's no real concrete example of what the software actually is and what it looks like. And if they do want to find out what your software does, they have to jump through a whole bunch of hoops. They have to fill out a book a demo form. They have to schedule a 45-minute discovery call with your sales team, or they have to watch some $5,000 video that you put together that's abstracted from how the product actually looks when someone signs in and starts using it. And this explains why the average SaaS homepage conversion rate is something like 2 to 3%. And that means that 97 out of every 100 people that come to your site are bouncing before they do anything. I saw this firsthand at Instrumentl, a company I used to work at before Supademo. They had an AI that would find nonprofits grants in real time. The moment they saw that feature, the product basically sold itself. But it was that aha moment that was the single most powerful thing that they could show a prospect. And for the longest time, it wasn't on their homepage. Visitors would come and read about features and outcomes, but they would never actually encounter the thing that makes their product so special. And they left because they couldn't see it. You are literally paying for traffic just to hide the very thing they came to evaluate. Think about the financial cost of that 97% bounce rate. If you're spending thousands on ads, SEO, and content, you're literally bringing people to the door and refusing to let them inside. You're burning your marketing budget. The fix is simpler than most people might expect. Let people experience the product before asking anything in return from them. Beehiiv is a good example of this. They're a newsletter platform, and rather than forcing everybody straight into a sign up for free flow, they added an interactive demo as an alternative path, a way for people who aren't quite ready to sign up to still experience the product. And the results speak for themselves. Within 2 months, they had thousands of new signups and over $10,000 in self-serve revenue. And the people coming through the demo converted at a 50% better rate than everybody else on the site because they'd already seen the product and they decided that they wanted it. To do this, you can use an interactive demo platform like Supademo. You just capture the product by clicking through like any new user would. And because it captures the actual code rather than a video file, you can go back in afterwards and clean things up, swapping out placeholder text, updating the dashboard name, or filling in dummy data so it looks really polished. Once it looks right, you can grab the embed code and drop it directly on your homepage. From recording to live on your site takes maybe 10 minutes, and duplicating it and updating it later takes maybe 2 or 3. The people who book a call after seeing the demo are already sold on the concept, which means the conversation immediately shifts from what does this thing do to how do I get started? And that is a completely different sales conversation. So the product demo that used to take your team weeks to produce and several rounds of revision only to get 0 views, you can now get live on your site for your next meeting. And if you want to try this out, there's a link in the description where you can start recording your first demos for free. Now, if you want to see exactly how to record your first demo, watch this video right here.